ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ವೈದ್ಯನಾಗಲು ತನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನವೇ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
To those who unravel the mysteries of human body, mapping every bone and muscle, we thank you.
To those who dwell into the wonders of how we move, breathe, and live, your insights are life-giving. We thank you.
To those who explore the intricate dance of molecules within us, turning science into healing, we thank you.
To those who diagnose the unseen battles within our tissue, guiding treatment with precision, we thank you.
To those who discover and develop the medicines that cure us, turning hope into reality, your work is invaluable. We thank you.
To those who combat the invisible villains of life, protecting us from the microscopic threats, we thank you.
To those who work tirelessly to improve public health, ensuring a healthier future for all, your impact is profound. We thank you.
To those who bring clarity and justice to dead, uncovering truths in the darkest times, we thank you.
To those who protect and restore our vision, allowing us to see the beautiful world, your work is a gift. We thank you.
To those who restore the ability to hear, speak, and breathe freely, enhancing our quality of life, we thank you.
To those who keep our skin healthy and beautiful, treating the ailments we wear on the surface, we thank you.
To those who help us breathe freely and improve our quality of life, your care gives us the freedom to breathe. We thank you.
To those who peer inside us with advanced imaging, revealing the unseen to guide our care, we thank you.
To those who diagnose and treat wide range of diseases with compassion and expertise, caring for us through all ailments, we thank you.
To those who use the scalpel with precision and care, saving the lives, one incision at a time, we thank you.
To those who guide new life into the world and care for women's health, your role is sacred. We thank you.
To those who nurture and heal our children, ensuring they grow up healthy and strong, building a healthy future of our nation, we thank you.
To those who heal our minds and support our mental health, your empathy and expertise are invaluable. We thank you.
To those who ensure we feel no pain during surgeries, your skill and care make all the difference. We thank you.
To those who mend our bones and restore our movement, giving us the freedom to live fully and move independently, we thank you.
To all doctors whose dedication and compassion, irrespective of specialties and expertise, touch every aspect of our lives, we honor you today and every day.
We are celebrating Doctors' Day. Happy Doctors' Day. As a doctor, we should have healing hand and caring heart. As a doctor, we should have two hearts. One is biological heart and one is kind heart. We should have compassion towards this profession. Then only we will enjoy this profession. One should have, rather than your knowledge or your competency, one should have good attitude, good heart, good presence of mind, and these are the qualities one should have. Once again, happy Doctors' Day.
Medicine cures diseases, but only doctors can cure patients. In spite of our different departments, different expertise, or different specialists, we doctors work together as a single unit here at Belgaum Institute of Medical Sciences. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy National Doctors' Day. Thank you.
Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. Doctors are so much dedicated that they are equal to God. They dedicate their life, family, and serve for the patients. at night, day, every time, any time. So we celebrate Doctors' Day on July 1st, and I wish them all best of luck.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಜುಲೈ 1ರಂದು ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎನ್ನದೇ ಇಡೀ ಮಾನವ ಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಬದಿಗಿಟ್ಟು ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜದ ಒಳಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಎನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ವೈದ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ವೈದ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವೈದ್ಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ಈ ವೈದ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೈದ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ವೈದ್ಯೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿ. ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ಮತ್ತು ರಕ್ಷಕ ದೇವರಾದರೆ ದೇವರ ಎರಡನೇ ರೂಪವೇ ವೈದ್ಯ. ದೇವರು ತಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆಯೂ ಇರಲಾರನೆಂದು ಕಳಿಸಿರುವ ಅವನ ರೂಪವೇ ವೈದ್ಯ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ, ಅನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ, ಧೈರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.